Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Nintendo 3DS XL owners: the Gocheden SPR-003 replacement battery. If your 3DS XL or new 3DS XL LL is struggling to keep up with your gaming sessions, this battery promises to breathe new life into your handheld console. The Gocheden SPR-003 is a high-capacity 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery designed specifically for Nintendo 3DS XL models. Built with grade A+ cells, it delivers reliable performance and longevity, capable of withstanding over 1,000 charge cycles. This means you can enjoy extended play without worrying about frequent replacements. The battery outputs a stable 3.7 volts, ensuring your console runs smoothly while providing enough power for long gaming marathons. Safety is a key feature of the SPR-003. It comes with a built-in microchip that protects against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. This ensures that while you're immersed in your favorite games, your battery operates safely and efficiently. For optimal longevity, the manufacturer recommends fully depleting the battery 3 times before your first full charge and completing 8 to 10 charge cycles. Installation is made easy thanks to the included repair toolkit. Even if you're not experienced with console repairs, the process is straightforward. Simply follow the instructions, and your 3DS XL will be ready for action in minutes. The battery is designed to fit perfectly into your console, guaranteeing seamless compatibility without the risk of damage or improper connection. This replacement battery also carries UL, CE, and RoHS certifications, giving you peace of mind about the quality and safety of your purchase. Additionally, Gocheden provides a 90-day replacement option and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can buy confidently. Physically, the battery is lightweight at just over an ounce and compact, with dimensions that allow it to slot easily into your 3DS XL without altering its form factor. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore player, the Gocheden SPR-003 is a reliable choice to enhance your gaming experience and extend your console's battery life. If your Nintendo 3DS XL has been struggling to hold a charge, this battery is an easy, cost-effective way to bring back the long gaming sessions you remember. From extended gameplay to safe operation and hassle-free installation, the Gocheden SPR-003 is designed to keep your console running at its best. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and in-depth looks at the latest tech accessories.